is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I was looking through my K-pop map upcoming comebacks for October of this year, and I saw that the Rose had released something like 6 days ago that I hadn't realized. So I was excited to see that on there. But I'm also looking through there, and we've got NCT 127, we've got Stray Kids, we've got Monster X. So we've got a nice big group of people that we're going to watch this month. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I know I'm excited as hell for that Blooming Stray Kids. I didn't realize they were releasing something this month. So it's awesome. That's all I can say. So this one is called She's in the Rain. And it's obviously just by The Rose. This is a second mini album, sorry. But I've only watched the only other Rose song. I can't even remember the name of the Rose song I watched. But I know I enjoyed it a lot. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. I don't know about you guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video, guys. And I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, starting off rainy. Good start. Oh, okay. Strummy. Oh, we got... No, we haven't. His voice. Hey. He's got that kind of wavering... I don't even... Is it a... It's not a falsetto, is it? I don't even know. Why am I even, like, pretending that I know? But his voice is very distinctive. His voice is so distinctive. He's got that thing going on. So it's very sweet sounding. I like his camera. Who is he photographing? Ooh, okay. I like it. It's very ballady, it's very like laid back, and I quite enjoy it. Oh, he's photographing a lady friend. The desks in the background there. That massive target on the back there. I think Baby was the name of the song that I watched from The Rose. I think. Watch that not even be a song. This chorus. Okay. Alright. So when he's taking a picture, it's showing her like in the rain. But they're not. What? Are we doing that every time he takes a picture it shows her true emotions? Wrong way. Maybe. It's a very nice sounding song. Their voices are very easy to listen to. The song's very easy to listen to. This English break is awesome. Hey! The tone of this song is it sounds very sweet. Watch it, Nobby. It was your very typical ballady, bandy song. I thoroughly enjoyed it, don't get me wrong, but it was very, yeah, it was very soft. It sounded like it would be a love song. I don't know what was being said, other than the English bit, but even then it wasn't particularly clear. But I still enjoyed it. The dude with the electric guitar, his vocals are so distinctive. It's like it's very, very crazy to listen to, and you can always pick him out as well, which is awesome. And I guess that's what you kind of want from being an artist, is to be different, be individual to somebody else, not the same. So yeah, it's very, very good. I do like the Rose. I feel like I've only listened to a couple of songs, so but the ones I've listened to have always been good. So thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. If you have any comments, queries, or concerns, any requests, please put them in the comment section for me, or hit me up on my social medias at Hostile Gamer TV. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.